Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your auto brightness not working on a Redmi 15C. Let's begin. And we can begin by simply checking if we have our auto brightness enabled. We can do that by heading into the settings, then scrolling down on the tool and then clicking display and brightness. And as you can see, right below our screen brightness we have automatic brightness. Basically, now it is disabled and you want to make sure that it's enabled just like that, otherwise it will not work. And technically this can be the end of the video, but for some people you might still encounter some issues. Well, how can we potentially fix that? Well, a little reboot will probably help you. In order to reboot your device, you can press and hold your power button, but unfortunately not alone. As you can see by default, you want to press and hold power button to access Gemini, and if you want to access power settings, you want to press power button and volume up buttons. So that's unfortunate, but I'm not going to switch that because this is the base default settings. So let's press power button and volume up button at the same time, and now let's simply reboot our device. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting your software, but hardware as well, including sensors that are directly responsible for detecting the brightness levels around you and adjusting the brightness levels at your device. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.